We are coming to the Cup Noodles Museum, Hong Kong today. We're coming for workshop, so we need to be in a hurry. Come back later and film the rest.
Okay, so the total is 40 times. So we will go 1100.
Making the noodle now. That's how it looks like. How you make the instant noodle. Repeat this procedure for like 15 times.
Okay, so this is our last time. We will do one more time.
This one is the extended.
You have to keep spinning until the noodle is all over this panel. So keep going, yeah, keep going. Okay, so this one is also finished. Please hold it. We have some oil on the bowl, so grab it tiny please. 唔好掂佢啦。咁但係佢一得半熟嘅狀態嘅啫，我哋攞落去油炸，令到佢全熟嘅。咁但係油炸之前，我哋將佢減重量啦。咁我哋正常重量會係110到115嘅。咁最多就120啦。咁如果太大就驚炸唔熟，同埋擺唔到落個袋嘅。咁呢個會係17、18、19、20，我哋會由17號開始。呢個就係原生重量。
Exactly one thing. Make it to up to 120. Our noodles being fried. So in short, we are trying to preserve the noodles by deep frying for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Get rid of all the water. to preserve it better. You see the water is getting less and less. 10 more seconds and this is done.
5、4、3、2、1，成。同埋揾啲針劑，大家個面要確保咧脆同埋硬身咧，咁先可以放入個籃度。
Photo of this. These are all our noodles. Thank you.
OK 啦，多謝晒。